Not all dogs and cats are created equally, and not all dog and cat food provides the nutrition that they need, especially when they're pregnant. Dr. Marty Greer, Revival's Director of Veterinary Services, is a leading veterinary expert in canine reproduction. So, Dr. Greer, what are your thoughts when it comes to supplements, especially during pregnancy?
Well, really good supplementation starts even before the pregnancy. And there's good reason for that is her body needs to be ready to have ovulation, to have good fertility, for the uterus to be ready to go. So the first thing we have to do is before we start planning for the pregnancy, we need to get her on an appropriate supplement. And we're going to start with two products. We're going to start with the Be Strong product and the Oxymate product. Those both will help prep her system, her nutritionally for the pregnancy. In fact, I talk to people frequently that are asking us why their dog isn't having a cycle every 6 months and what they can do about it and what drug they can put their dogs on. And I typically will say no drugs until we've done at least a 2 to 4 week course of Oxymate and Be Strong. And I am constantly surprised by how many people send me an email or give me a call back just 2 weeks later and say, great, no meds, she's in heat.
Awesome. Now, obviously, not all supplements are safe to give to a pregnant female. You want to be sure you're giving a prenatal supplement that is safe for a breeding dog or cat. But what about when she isn't pregnant? Is there still a supplement needed at that time?
Oh, yes. The in-between for her is a great product to keep her nutritionally where we want her to be so that when she does come back into heat, that she's ready to go. We aren't kind of playing catch up with that nutrition. And even food that seems to be really appropriate nutritionally may not always meet her needs. It also is important that she's at her ideal body condition weight. So if she's too thin or too heavy, that in-between period is a great time to get her at ideal body condition so the pregnancy goes better for her.
Now, what about post-pregnancy? What are your recommendations for supplementation at that point?
Well, my favorite is Oxymama. That's a product that's going to help her to lactate. A lot of dogs, for the first couple of days after the puppies are born, don't have enough milk or colostrum to get those puppies off to a good start. So you can start the Oxymama product, which is an herbal supplement that has some products in it like fenugreek that will help improve her lactation, get her body ready to go so that when those puppies are born and ready to start nursing, that she's lactating effectively and efficiently so that the puppies get great nutrition from the very start.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Greer.
Hi, if you're watching on YouTube, consider subscribing to the Revival Animal Health YouTube channel. If you have a pet health question, call our pet care pros at this number. And don't miss our other pet health videos.